Dongguan Mission Gauge and Fixture Company Limited, since its establishment, relying on the technological leadership of automation design, high-precision manufacturing concept of only fitting, no assembling, rich project management experience, has been providing to the global with checking fixtures and welding equipment. The spirit of technology leading and the quality brand together establishes industry influence. Dongguan Mission Gauge and Fixture Company Limited, Mission Gauge and Fixture, has won the title of Guangdong Province High-Tech Enterprise and Product, has ISO 9001 certificates and more than 50 Chinese national patents. We pay attention to the training of technicians, technology research and development, realizing automatic design, automatic drawing, and our efficiency increases by more than 20%. At the same time, Mission Gauge and Fixture are continuing investment in R&D automation to keep learning the current and future needs of OEM manufacturers, deepen the understanding of current technology, meet the growing expectations of customers through excellent engineering technology and overall solutions, advanced mining equipment, reasonable craftsmanship, and strict quality control. Strictly control every production procedure, do once and do it right. It is the biggest delivery guarantee for Mission Gauge. There are 30 sets of 3-axis CNC machines and 4 sets of gantry machining centers with max machining scope 6 meters, and there are 6 sets 5-axis CNC from Germany DMU and Italy Brenton, with auto-programming software, meeting the high-precision processing requirements of various large-sized special curved workpieces. At the same time, we introduced SAP and EMAN management systems to control the production progress in real time, high efficiency, smart manufacturing, all in Mission, technology leading and quality brand, fully in Mission. Punctual delivery and efficient operation highlights core competitiveness. In order to quickly respond to customer needs, Mission Gauge and Fixture has established a professional project team with technician background and bilingual capabilities. They are proactive and result-oriented, keeping improving the products and services, checking every level from design reviewing, manufacturing and processing to customer acceptance. They put in parallel management in advance, and all precautions can be taken. They do their utmost to meet the customer requirements of quality, delivery and service, add value, and realize the commitment of quality first, delivery on time, and customer satisfaction. Mission has obtained ISO 17025 laboratory accreditation, possessing high-precision testing equipment and a 3R quality management system with all system, all process and all employee participation, standardization, digitization, making improvement bit by bit. Mission Gauge will keep improving and never stop. Customer first and people-oriented thinking continues the leadership of enterprise. Since 2008, Mission has been providing checking fixtures and welding jigs to OEMs and Tier 1, Tier 2 manufacturers from all over the world. Mission partners cover all regions of China, and with after-sales service center in Europe, the United States, Canada, and Mexico, Europe, USA, Canada, and Mexico, providing value-added services such as design changes and after-sales services for global customers. Supreme and sincere quality reflects the extension of development space. Mission Gauge has stepped into the track with international standards, showing unlimited development space, high-quality products, well feedback. The featured products including cubing, assembly fixture for metal parts, assembly fixture for plastic parts, single fixture for metal parts, single fixture for plastic parts, spout welding fixture, arc welding fixture, laser cutting fixture, puppet welding fixture, and so on. Looking forward to the future, we mission people promise we will always adhere to the principle of customer first and people-oriented. Treat every customer and supplier with integrity, and strive to achieve creating a first-class enterprise and achieving a positive life. Mission Gauge, the largest checking fixture supplier in south of China, the best fixture supplier in China, your trusted supplier of automotive checking fixtures and welding automation integration.